Carolus Linnaeus. Carl Linnaeus was a Swedish botanist, physician, and zoologist who is often regarded as the father of modern taxonomy. His work laid the foundation for the binomial nomenclature system used in the biological classification of organisms. Biography. Early life. Carl Linnaeus was born on May 23, 1707, in Rasholt, Sweden. His father was a minister and amateur botanist, which influenced Linnaeus's interest in plants from a young age. Education. Linnaeus studied at Lund University and then at Uppsala University, where he deepened his knowledge of botany and zoology. Career. He traveled extensively across Europe, collecting plant specimens and collaborating with other scientists. Linnaeus eventually became a professor at Uppsala University. Contributions. 1. Systema Naturae. In 1735, Linnaeus published the first edition of Systema Naturae, which outlined his method for classifying and naming organisms. This work underwent many additions and expansions over his lifetime. 2. Binomial nomenclature. Linnaeus introduced the binomial system of naming species, where each species is given a two-part Latin name, genus and species. For example, the scientific name for humans is Homo sapiens. 3. Hierarchical classification. He proposed a hierarchical system of classification with several levels: kingdom, class, order, family, genus, and species. This system is still used today with some modifications and additions. 4. Species Plantarum. Published in 1753, this work described and classified approximately 6,000 plant species, establishing the foundation for modern botanical nomenclature. 5. Influence on biological sciences. Linnaeus' work provided a unified framework for the naming and classification of organisms, which facilitated communication and information sharing among scientists worldwide. Linnaeus. Contributions to taxonomy and the development of a universal naming system have had a lasting impact on biological sciences. His work established a systematic approach to the classification of living organisms, which continues to be a fundamental aspect of biology today. In the NCERT biology textbooks for classes 11 and 12, Linnaeus' contributions are highlighted to emphasize the importance of taxonomy and the historical development of biological classification systems. His methodologies and principles form the basis for the systematic study of biodiversity and the understanding of evolutionary relationships among organisms.